Okay, I'm back. Okay, we are on student book page 126, number 2, practice. Okay, now let's listen to this. Listen to this, number 1 through 8.
Page 126. Exercise 2A. Track 32. 1. What did Joe buy Sylvia?
Joe bought her flowers.
2. What did Joe buy Nick?
Joe bought him a card.
3. What did Joe write Pam?
Joe wrote her a letter.
4. What did Joe buy Mary and Judy?
Joe bought them a cake.
5. What did Joe give Eva?
Joe gave her roses.
6. What did Joe send Paul?
Joe sent him an invitation.
7. What did Joe send David?
Joe sent him some money.
8. What did Joe give Sue?
Joe gave her a ride.
'Okay.
Page 126.
Repeat after this once again.
Exercise 2A.
Repeat after
Track
this.
32. 1. What did Joe buy Sylvia?
Joe bought her flowers.
2. What did Joe buy Nick?
Joe bought him a card.
3. What did Joe write Pam?
Joe wrote her a letter.
4. What did Joe buy Mary and Judy?
Joe bought them a cake.
5. What did Joe give Eva?
Joe gave her roses. 6. What did Joe give Eva? 'Joe gave her roses.
6. What did Joe send Paul?
Joe sent him an invitation.
7. What did Joe send David?
Joe sent him some money.
8. What did Joe give Sue?
Joe gave her a ride.
Okay. Okay, good. Now, since we have to use irregular verbs, let's review our irregular verbs. Review. Okay? Okay? Give me the past tense of this verb. What's the past tense of this verb? Get, got. Take, took. Read, read. The spelling is same, but the pronunciation is different. Read, read. Oh, this is regular verb. Drive, drove. Buy, bought. Meet, met. Have, had. Go, went. Eat, ate. Find, found. Come, came. Begin, began. Okay, let's do once again. One more time. Get, got. Take, took. Read, read. Drive, drove. Buy, bought. Meet, met. Have, had. Go, went. Eat, ate. Begin, began. Come, came. Find, found. Leave, left. Leave, left. Okay, good. So you're going to memorize all these irregular verbs so that you can use them, okay? Okay, good. Now, let me see. Look at this one. Look at this one. No. Why don't you cover this part and just look at this part in your book. Look at this part, because I'm going to ask you some questions. You answer to my question why with looking at this part, okay? Let's see. Answer to my question. Look at to-do list. What did Joe buy Sylvia? What did Joe buy Sylvia? Use pronouns. What did Joe buy Sylvia? You gotta cover this part. Cover this part. And then answer to my question. What did Joe buy Sylvia? She bought her flowers. He bought her flowers. He bought her flowers. Okay, next. What did Joe buy Nick? What did Joe buy Nick? He bought him a card. He bought him a card. Okay, third sentence. What did Joe write Pam? What did Joe write Pam? He wrote her a letter. He wrote her a letter. Okay, what did Joe buy Mary and Judy? What did Joe buy Mary and Judy? He bought them a cake. He bought them a cake. Okay, next, what did Joe give Eva? What did Joe give Eva? He gave her roses. He gave her roses. Okay, next. What did Joe send Paul? What did Joe send Paul? He sent him an invitation. He sent him an invitation. Okay, next, what did Joe send David? What did Joe send David? He sent him some money. He sent him some money. Okay, next, what did Joe give Sue? What did Joe give Sue? He gave her a ride. He gave her a ride. Okay, good. Now let's go to our workbook. Page 118. Workbook 118. Let's see. Lesson C. Tim gave Mary a present. Number 1. Rewrite the sentences. Number 1. Tim gave a present to Mary. You gotta rewrite. Tim gave Mary a present. Okay? Indirect object first and then direct object next. Number 2. Jim bought some flowers for Sarah. How do you rewrite this? Jim bought Sarah some flowers. Okay, number 3. Elias wrote an email to his father. The answer is Elias wrote his father an email. Okay, number 4. Martha bought some soda for her son. Rewrite. Martha bought her son some soda. Number 5. Felix gave some ice cream to his children. Felix gave his children some ice cream. Number 6. Luna sent a birthday card to her mother. Rewrite. Luna sent her mother a birthday card. Okay. Now, since you finished writing the answers, repeat after me. Number 1, Tim gave a present to Mary. Tim gave Mary a present. Jim bought some flowers for Sarah. Jim bought Sarah some flowers. Number 3, Elias wrote an email to his father. Elias wrote his father an email. Number 4, Martha bought some soda for her son. Martha bought her son some soda. Number 5, Felix gave some ice cream to his children. Felix gave his children some ice cream. Number 6, Luna sent a birthday card to her mother. Luna sent her mother a birthday card. Okay, so in this way we can switch the direct object or indirect object, the direct object and indirect object. But remember, when you switch these objects, direct and indirect objects, when you put the indirect object first, you gotta use, you don't use preposition. But when you say direct object first, you gotta use preposition all the time. But when you use give, you gotta use to. What about buy? Always for. So this is grammar, okay? You gotta use prepositions when you say direct object first. To whom? For whom, okay? To Celia, for Celia. Buy for, give to, okay? Buy for, give to. This is grammar. You gotta memorize. You gotta memorize, okay? Give to, buy for. Okay. Let's take break, and we will continue this part after break. Okay, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Okay, this is it for Monday's lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.